Hi friends, these are special cards that you can use for Halloween or any time of the year. There's several different pictures. There is an owl, a web, a fence, a tree, a broom, a moon, a mummy, a shoe, a monster, a candy bucket, a mushroom, and a vampire. And we're sending home 2 sets of everything. So this is something that you can have help cutting it apart to making the rectangles. And then you can play a game with it. You can match your pictures. You can turn it over and make a memory game. When you cut them out, oh, where is that moon? Where is that owl? Where is that mushroom? There it is. You can do whatever kind of games you can come up with. You can practice the first letters, saying, mommy, monster, mushroom, and practice your M words. You can pick anything you want to do with these. There's owl, broom, web, fence, tree. This is a fun way to sound out words. It's a fun way to match words. It's a lot of things to do within this game. Have fun with it. Bye, friends.